Hi there. Today we are going to learn about our ecosystem. In the previous video, we learned about 17 Sustainable Development Goals, where we found that SDG 13, 14, and 15 are concerned with climate action, life below water, and life on land. If you haven't watched the video, the link is given below in the description box. You can watch for better understanding. Having said that, it is a well-known fact that in order to make an effective contribution in saving and sustaining our ecosystem, we should be first aware of, right? So let's begin with the video. Basically, what is an ecosystem? In simple words, a specific place where interaction between the living beings occur with each other and with the non-living things is called an ecosystem. To put it scientifically, a specific place where biotic components interact with each other and with the abiotic components is referred to as ecosystem. So what are biotic and abiotic components now? Well, word bio means life. All that breathes, including plants, animals, humans, parasites, decomposers, etc., fall under the category of biotic components, whereas abiotic means absence of life. Therefore, all non-living things like wind, water, gases, soil, radiation, rocks together form abiotic components. A.G. Tansley, an English botanist in the year 1935, first coined the term ecosystem. To say so, our houses and a body are also a type of ecosystem. Food and microbes inside it, right? Natural ecosystems are self-regulating one, which means nutrient cycling will be more and will take place by itself between living and non-living things here. Also with more biodiversity. Whereas man-made or anthropogenic ecosystems are to be regulated by anthropogenic activities. Productivity is high in man-made ecosystem as a farmer here can regulate it as per the need of production. Moving ahead, ecosystem can be broadly categorized as man-made and natural ecosystem, which we studied before, in which aquarium, man-made ponds, flats, crop fields are all examples of man-made ecosystem. Let us understand what natural ecosystems are. They can be grouped into two major categories, that is, terrestrial and aquatic. Forest, grassland, and desert comes under terrestrial ecosystem as they are land-based, whereas freshwater and marine ecosystem is part of aquatic one. Forest ecosystem, big trees, and wide varieties of animals like lion, fox, birds, and monkeys are part of forest ecosystem. Tropical forest, deciduous forest, evergreen forest are all examples of this. We will study types of forests in detail in the later videos. For now, the next one is grassland ecosystem. As the name suggests, it mainly consists of grass, herbs, small burrowing animals. Grasslands like steppes, prairies, and savanna are examples of this found across the globe. Desert ecosystem. Cactus and succulents form desert ecosystem. As you all know, camel is the most common animal here. It has been accompanied with high temperature and scarcity of water. Thus, plants and animals here adapt themselves biologically to survive in these conditions. Further, water-based or aquatic ecosystem is subdivided into freshwater and marine ecosystem. Freshwater system has less dissolved salts in it where small phytoplanktons or zooplanktons are found. Ponds, lake are few examples of it. While marine water ecosystem has wide variety of phytoplankton and zooplanktons, and the amount of dissolved salts is more here. Various large marine animals like whale, sharks, octopus are known to habitat here. Let us say aquarium is nano, pond is micro, forest is a meso, ocean is a mega, and biosphere is called a global ecosystem. Moving further, what are the basic components of any ecosystem? There are mainly three: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Consumers are further three types, that is, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Producers are plants which produce their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Next to this comes primary consumers, also called as herbivores, which feed on producers. Insects, caterpillar, goats are examples of this category. Then comes secondary consumers, also called as carnivores, which depend on other animals for their food or energy requirements. Animals like lion, fox, leopard, etc., all fall under this category. Tertiary consumers, or you can call them omnivores, are animals which are hypocarnivores and little herbivores. They eat both meat and plant as food. And lastly comes the decomposers, or called the detritivores or scavengers, which feed on dead decaying matter for their food. They are often called the doctors of ecosystem, as they clean and replenish the nutrients back to the ecosystem. With this, it's a wrap. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such insights. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Keep learning and keep watching. Thank you for your time.